Hey everyone, it's Shelly from Shelly Creates It. I'm a crafty creator and a passionate teacher, always up for a new challenge. Today I'm making sourdough bread, wrapping my new Christmas book, and doing a workout. Pretty awesome day. Let's get creative together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to join me on this 25-day creative adventure. Right now that I successfully have finally made sourdough bread, I'm going to go ahead and put on Charlie Brown Christmas and wrap my newly printed children's Christmas book. I want to make an Instagram short unwrapping the book, but I made it so beautiful I don't want to unwrap it, so I'm going to enjoy it for the night. Let's just do it the original way. I almost got distracted and forgot the tape, but I got it. All right, I think I got my audio fixed. The video I made yesterday, the audio was awful. So I'm going to walk you through a quick setup of my Kindle countdown deal. This one is going to be in January. I have already set up my free ebook for December, which I don't know if I can, how I find that information. I scheduled it. I don't know how you can find it. Hold on. I did find it. It's got this beautiful page and it tells me, so I'm actually going to run it the 7th through the 9th. And then I'm going to run it the 24th and the 25th. So that'll give me my 5 days this month. And then in 90 days, I can run something again, but I'm going to wait and do Christmas in July and run it in July. So I don't think I can schedule. Yeah, I have to wait till 90 days. So, yay. All right. So anyways, that's that one. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Oh, and look, it does tell me. Okay. So the countdown deal, it's different. This one, I am going to have it in 3 different pricing increments, and it's going to start at 99 cents for the first 16 hours, and then it's going to go to $1.99 for 16 hours, and then $2.99 for 16 hours before it returns back to the original price. And on my Amazon page, it'll have that countdown deal listed with like the timer on it. So I'm super excited. And I found a Canva template that will work for this situation. So I'm gonna work on making those. Dreaming Kindle countdown deal. And then I'm gonna put social media topics need to be scheduled, and then all day till the night. My Kindle link. That way when it's time to go, it's so easy to do. So I might just play around with this. All right, that's good. And then we're gonna do 51% off, $1.99, and then 26% off. Yay! All right. Oh, nope. $1.99 is 51% off. Cool. All right, I'm done with that. We're gonna move on to something else. Thanks so much for watching.